real firepower?
Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh my god. How did he die? Oh, Hawkeye. Woohoo! I was sweaty as fuck, bro. Oh my god. Customs? If no customs on comp? Oh my god, no! No! Okay. Do you get it? Who needs to talk? My meatballs will do all the talking? Yeah, my big meaty balls will do the talking. I like you, Peach. I like that. I jammed my face into his bow so he didn't kill you. Oh my god! Thank you! Oh my god, why do I keep burping? Chat! What's wrong with me? I'm only decent on Spidey and Magic. I'll go own 15. What about Iron Man? You're good on Iron Man. Well, Rivals is borked again. What, is your internet dead or twerking as everyone was fighting for point? Really? Real. You know what? I would too. Look at me in my bubbles though. Look at me. I got rocket emotes. I got little fishies in my jetpack. I got a little guy on my hat. He's so cute. Peach, can I get a revive? Please!
Fuck it, I'm pulling out the Iron Man.
Yeah. I can do that for you. Here, do you want me to put it right there? Boom. I'm trying. I put them down, but I don't know. I'm sorry. Sorry, I'm trying. I don't know what I'm doing, okay? I don't know anything.
Wait,
yeah, Venom's cool. Venom's cool.
Yeah, Venom's cool. Venom's cool. Venom's cool.
The rest of them? Not so much. Oh, what? Where'd a cloak go? What? What is there? Whoa! Yeah, fuck you. Are we chilling? Wait, are we all chilling? What the fuck? You guys still fighting and shit? I'm over here like, hey. Ow. Little shitter. Hulk said no. Where's my thing? Oh.